So we have to discuss about the different type of rotation like LL, RR, LR and RL rotation. Next here we have to discuss how to create a AVL tree or insertion in a AVL tree using this rotation. Okay, so in generally what happen, we have to follow the two rules whenever we create a AVL tree. So creating a AVL tree, we have to insert, okay, you will be insert a node as for binary search tree. Whatever the insertion in the binary search tree rule is same as your insertion a node as for the binary search tree. Next is configure. What is configure? That is, we have to find out the figure with the balance factor. Figure with the balance factor. Okay, we have to find out the figure with the balance factor. That is configure. Then after configure, if it is imbalance, means if it is not follow the rule of the AVL tree, or balance factor is not +1, 0 or -1, that is called your imbalance condition. Then if imbalance, then balance it. Okay, how to balance it? Using either LL, LR or RR or RL. Okay, rotations. If it is imbalance, then balance it using this rotation LL, LR, RR and RL. Okay, so previously already discussed, if LL rotation is there, then we perform a single rotation, that is your right rotation. Okay, if RR imbalance is there, then we perform also a single rotation, that is your left rotation. Then for LR we require two rotation. First is RR, then LL. Okay, for LR we require first RR and then LL rotation. Okay, then if it is RL, then it also require two rotation. First is LL, then RR. Okay, so these are already discussed. So in this rule is follow whenever we create a AVL tree or inserting an element in a AVL tree. So let's see an example. So this is a question given, create an AVL tree from the following data. Data is given, we have to create a AVL tree. So first is insert 56. We have to start the solution here. Okay, first is insert 56. So you have to create it 56 as like your binary search tree. Okay, the rule is the insertion. What is the rule is, create a binary tree as per the BST. Then if it is, then configure, figure out with the balance factor. If imbalance, then balance it. Okay, so then calculate what is the balance factor of this node. There is a no left subtree, there is a no right subtree, so balance factor is 0. Okay, then it follow the rules. Then next is insert your 32. Okay, then 32, this is your 56 root is there, so whenever 32 will become, then 32 is less than this, so 32 will come left side of the 56. Okay, then what happened, then calculate the balance factor for 32. For this node, what is the balance factor? No left children, no right children, the balance factor is 0. For this node, what is the balance factor? The left subtree 1 and right is 0. 1 minus 0, this is your what? +1 or not. So this is also a balanced tree. Next 21 will become, insert 21. See, 56, 32 is there. If 21 will become, then 21 compare with the 56, it is less, go to the here, it compare with the 32, less, then we have to insert here. Then after inserting this, as according to the binary search tree, then you have to calculate the balance factor. So what is the balance factor here? It is 0, the balance factor. No left subtree, no right subtree. What is the balance factor here? It is +1, because 1 here left subtree 1 minus 0 plus 1. And what is the balance factor here? 2 node are there, so 2 here 0, so 2 minus 0, this is plus 2. So see, this node is violated the rule, the balance factor is not within the domain, plus 1 minus 1 0, this is plus 2, so that we require the rotation. Then we already say we have to follow the rules. What happen? First we have to find out the pivot or we have to say anchor node or the node which violated the rule. Okay, we have to first consider the node which violated the rule. So this node is violated the rule. Then we have to go towards the newly inserted node. Where is the newly inserted node? Here is the newly inserted node. So we go towards the newly inserted node. Then we have to consider two hops. One hops, two hops, two hops. So what type of the structure you have to find or what type of nomenclature you have to find? This is your left, left. So this is your left, left rotation or left, left imbalance we have to find. For left, left LL imbalance, what is the rotation we have to perform? Right rotation, that is a single rotation. So here we perform the right rotation. Okay, then this go to the up. This will be come here. Okay, right rotation, this will be come here. This is the middle node. That means 32 is here, 21 is here. Now 56 will be come the right side of the node. Okay, then after that you have to check what is the balance factor here. It is 0, it is 0. This also 1 minus 1, this is also 0. That means it satisfy the ability property, balance factor property. So after rotation we have to find that. Okay, next insert 64. So here initially this is your tree, 32, 21, 56. So 64 is greater than this. Okay, greater than this. This means 64 is here. Then what is here? Balance factor here 0. Here no left subtree, 0 minus 1. This is minus 1. Here 0 and here 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. So what is the balance factor here? Minus 1. 1 minus 2. So balance factor is minus 1. So see, all the nodes satisfy the property balance factor or not, in the domain or not, plus 1 minus 1 0. So no rotation is required. Next 64 is already completed. Then 98. So see, insert 98. So when 98 will be insert, 98 is greater than this, and so this greater than this. So according to the binary search tree property, you have to insert 98 here. So after insertion of the 98, what happened? The balance factor here is 0. Then here is the balance factor what? This is minus 1. What is the balance factor here? 0 minus 2. Here left side 0 and this is minus 2. This is your minus 2. Okay, 0 minus 2. So see, this node is already violated the rule. We have to already found the violated node, anchor node or we have to say pivot node, any node. Okay, we already found, so no need to calculate this. Okay, already this node is violated. So our aim is to find out which node is violated the rule. This node is violated the rule. This is your anchor node or pivot node. Then we have to go towards the newly inserted node. 98 is inserted here, so we have go towards the newly inserted node. Then we have to consider two hops, one hop and two hops. Okay, what type of structure you have to find? This is your right and right structure. Okay, so already we have to find the right imbalance. If we find the right imbalance, we perform what? Perform one rotation, that is left rotation. So this is your middle, this is your right. So we have to perform a right rotation and this go to the upper. See here, after the rotation you have to find 32, 21. Okay, so you have to only perform this right rotation. This is your middle node, this is, then this will be come to here, this will be come to the 64 and 64 already attached to the here 32 right side. Only the 64 come to the here, sorry 56 come to the here, then 64 as it is here, 56 will come the left side and 98 come to the right side. Okay, we have to also see this is also satisfy the binary search tree property or not. Satisfy, then calculate what is the balance factor here. This is 0, this is 0, 1 minus 1 0, and for 21 what? 0, then 1 minus 2, this is minus 1. already satisfy the AVL tree balance factor property. Okay, so this is the AVL tree. Next, go to the next node. Next, inserted 25. Insert 25. Okay, this is the tree. This is the tree you have to find. Then 25 inserted. Less than this, greater than this, you have to find 25 here or not. Then calculate the balance factor 0 0 0, and this is 0 minus 1, and this is 2 to 0. Already satisfy the balance factor. So after 25 no rotation is required. Then go to the next 43. Insert 43. So 43 is greater than this, less than this, and less than this. So 43 is now here. After inserting 43, calculate the balance factor here 0 minus 1 0. Okay, then this is plus 1 0 plus 1 and minus 1, 2 minus 3. So this tree already satisfied because all the node having balance factor either 0 plus 1 minus 1, no rotation is required. Then go to the next 54. Insert 54. 54 is greater than this. Okay, 54 is less than this, and for 54 here is greater than this. So this is the place of the 54. We have to insert according to the binary search tree. Okay, so after insertion of the 54, we check the balance factor starting from the newly inserted node. This is 0. Okay, for this 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, this is minus 1. For 56, left side 2, height is 2, and right side 0. So this is your what? Plus 2. Okay, if we here also calculate, that is 1 2 3 minus 1, also plus 2. But what happen whenever you find one node, when we starting from this newly inserted node, and whenever you find one node which violated the rule, no need to go from other. Okay, no need to go from the other, because here you have to perform the rotation. If you changes this, when after rotation you have to find all the trees balance. So here is your violated node, pivot node or anchor node. So what happen? What is the rule? Whenever we find your pivot node, then we have go towards the newly inserted node. Here is the newly inserted node. Then jump 2 hops, 1 hops and 2 hops. What type of nomenclature you have to find? This is your left and right. Okay, LR, you have to find the LR. For LR we require 2 rotation. First is what? First is RR, and then we have to perform LL. Okay, so here see, here only you have to concentrate at this portion of the tree. We have to find LR. We have to perform the rotation in this portion of this tree, LR. So first we perform the RR rotation. See, R is there. Suppose we have to imagine that here is a node is there. Okay, here is node is there, null is there, or whatever is there. Here it is a null. Then when this is R and this is suppose R. Okay, so see here remaining trees as it is 32 21 64. Here 64 is there. Then what happen? Whenever R is there, here R we perform what? A left rotation. This go to the upper. That means this 43 will be rotate here. Okay, RR, this will be rotate here. Okay, so 64 is as it is. Here see, after 64 it is 56. Okay, it is 56. Then RR 43 come here. This is 54. Next 43 is come left side of the 54. Okay, no node is there 44. Okay, only 64 having a node 98. So after one rotation we have to find this tree. See here, after one rotation we have to find this tree. Next, which rotation is there? L is here. L. Next L, again perform the LL rotation. This is your middle node is there. Then we have to rotate right, and this is go to the up. Okay, suppose remaining tree is there, we perform the LL rotation. That means right rotation 56 come to 56 will be come to here. 56 come to the right rotation. That means 64 having 54, 43 is as it is. 56 will be come to the right of here. Okay, then 98 is come as it is. Then calculate the balance factor. After the 2 rotation, calculate the balance factor. Here it is 0, 0, 0, then 0. Here 2 minus 1, that is your plus 1 here. Here it is minus 1, right side 1 node there, and here 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 minus 3, this is minus 1. See, for this node, all the nodes satisfy the balance factor property 0, plus 1 and minus 1. So this is your final AVL tree. All the node is completed. Okay, all the node is completed, and this is the final tree after the insertion. Another trick I have said you. Okay, if in this situation you have to find any LR or RL rotation, see here, like 56, 43 and 54. Okay, so in this situation what happened, we only 2 rotation. After 2 rotation we have to see that the middle element is go to the root, middle element go to the root, whatever the less element is there is go to the left side, and whatever the greater element is there it go to the right side. If any LR and RL case is there, we have to perform 2 rotation. Then after 2 rotation we find like this, means the middle element go to the middle side, left element left side, less element left side, and greater element the right side. Okay, one trick we have to given you. So this is your insertion and create a AVL tree using the rotation.